How do you say barbecue in Azerbaijan?
Kebab.
Chabat.
Ha? Barbecue.
Turkey? Barbecue?
Yeah, Turkey barbecue.
Myanmar is aki. How to say chicken barbecue in Azerbaijanese?
Toyuq kebabı.
Toyo kebab. It's like kebab?
Hı.
Oh, okay.
Ee,
Turkey?
tavuk barbeküsü.
Tavuk barbecue. Ah. How to say medium rare in Azerbaijan?
O orta pişmiş.
Orta pişmiş.
Medium is like average.
Ah. What about Turkey?
Orta pişmiş.
Same.
Hmm.
Ah. In Myanmar is medium rare. We don't have it. We can also say like ajet.
La.
Is like medium. Ajet is like cooked.
Hmm.
Yeah. And what else? Like making a fire to barbecue.
Hı.
How to say in Azerbaijanese?
Kebab üçün ocaq qalamaq.
Oh, it's long. It's long.
Kebab üçün like for barbecue.
Kebab ocean.
Ocaq it's fire. Qalamaq it's like making a fire.
Kalamat.
Qalamaq.
Kalamat. Kalamat.
Ocaq.
Kalamar.
And Turkey?
Barbekü için ateş yakmak.
Ah, it's a little bit same.
Hmm.
A little bit same. In Myanmar, we call mi mue. Mi mue.
Mimwi.
Mi is fire, and mue is like making
Bonfire.
making bonfires. Like mi mue, mi lo there. Like that.
Or mangal we can say.
Mongal.
Mangal.
Ah,
This is mangal.
Yeah.
Where we are
mongals.
cooking like the meat.
Mm. So how to say picnic in Azerbaijan? Picnic. That's it.
Hmm.
Piknik.
We say Biobweza.
What the fuck?
Pioveza.
Biobweza today. Picnic today. We also say picnic, but in Myanmar language we say Biobweza today. This means Bio is like happy, Bue is like ceremony, Sa